Happy morning, all of you. My name is Mr. Khadangle Pankaj. I am teaching you EVS second from that chapter number 5th, Evolution of Mankind. Today it is our third day to learn this chapter. Since today's we are learning first point from Homo habilis to Homo sapiens sapiens. In this first we have learned subpoint the skilled human, we have learned it. Then yesterday we have learned about Homo erectus. And now next point we are going to learn here. Third one, Homo neanderthalensis. Neanderthalensis in bracket Neanderthal man. Neanderthal man. See, Homo neanderthalensis. Now, neanderthalensis. This one is a little difficult word, but this one is the name of place in Germany. Okay, that name is given to that man. Okay, so Homo neanderthalensis or Neanderthal man. Neanderthal man. Understood pronunciation? Okay. See, I'll read the paragraph. Put your index finger there. One more stage of development in human evolution is Homo neanderthalensis. He was physically big and strong. He is commonly known as the Neanderthal man because his remains were first found at Neanderthal. Where it found? To Neanderthal, a place in Germany. His brain was more developed than that of Homo erectus. Okay, see. Now, this one is the one more stage in the evolution of mankind. Development in human evolution is Homo neanderthalensis. He was physically big and strong. You can see in the screen that he was physically big and strong. He is commonly known as the Neanderthal man. He is commonly known as the Neanderthal man because his remains were first found in Neanderthal. His remains, firstly, it was found in the Neanderthal, a place in Germany. Where? A place in Germany. His brain was more developed than that of Homo erectus. His brain was more developed. We have seen that in Homo erectus, those humans were living in a group. Okay? And now here, this Homo neanderthal's brain is bigger than Homo erectus. Okay? See, next paragraph. The Neanderthals primarily live in caves. Where they live? They live in caves. They made tools out of big pebbles as well as from the flake scrap from them. They used to make tools with the help of pebbles. Pebble is a type of stone. Okay, they used to make these tools out of big pebbles as well as from the flake scrap from them. Flakes means thin paper, thin sheets of those pebbles. Such tools were fixed on a bone. Where they used to fix? On bones. Suppose like this tool they are made. Okay, and here suppose this one is a bone, otherwise wood. They were fixing it on bone, otherwise on wood. Wooden shaft to make weapons like the spear. eggs, etc. Like spear or eggs. Spear means, see, like this. Like this one is called spear, and eggs means like this. You have seen at your home like this? Yes, this is called eggs. Now, the Neanderthals hunting big animals. These Neanderthals, they were hunting big animals. They used to use scrapers made from stone flakes and scrap meat from the hide of the dead animals. They were using meat from the hide of the dead animals. They used to leather clothing, and they were mainly meat eaters. They were mainly meat eaters means their main food was meat. They ate meat roasted on fire. And how they were eating that meat? They were roasting it and then they were eating it. So for that purpose, what is required? Fire. So see, they knew the art of making fire. They knew the art of making fire, but how? By rubbing sticks of hard wood. Sticks of hard wood they were rubbing on each other, or by sticking one flint stone on another to obtain spark. Flint stone we are also doing at home. Now you are small, if you are playing on sand, two stones, if you spark on each other, spark will come out from it. Yes, so this was the technique. At that time they learnt it by striking one flint stone on another to obtain sparks. Understood? See, simple it is, step by step. Improvements are there in human species. Now see on page number 21, only one paragraph we will see from this. Remaining one we will see tomorrow. Okay? So see, it is likely that the Neanderthals had developed some artistic skills. From this we can understood that these Neanderthals have developed some artistic skills, means some art skill they have developed. Some scientists believe that they also communicate with each other by producing grunts and other primary sounds. And some scientists, what they told, that these Neanderthals, they were communicating with each other, means they were talking with each other, they were speaking with each other. But how? By grunting sounds or producing sounds. However, it is not known whether they had a developed language system. They had developed language system to express their thoughts with the help of words. Whether they had a developed language system to express their thoughts with the help of words. Okay. So remaining part we will see tomorrow. Just what you have to do, these lessons are very simple, but you have to do self study and you have to read them again and again. If you will read it again and again, simply you will understand it. Okay? And don't think that exams will not be there and what is the use of studying this. We are not learning for the purpose of exam. We are learning for ourselves to get knowledge. Okay? Education system is not only to take examination. Okay? You have to get knowledge. So for that purpose we are teaching here online. Understood? So you have to do self study also. Okay? And don't give answers to your parents that what is the use of this study. Exams will not be there. Don't think. Okay? You are learning for yourself to get knowledge. Understood? Okay. So thanks for watching this video. Tomorrow again we will meet with the